ang pronding negosyante. A madiscarte sa negosyo. Masipag at matalino. At Moxayon sa Servicio at Negosyo. Yan ang tatak prom dita tang Henry C. Provincian ang negosyante. Ninong TV proudly presents another action of learning businesses of the King of Philippine Business Henry C. With Yordanver Ninong Castro as Henry C. Ang Provincian ang Negosyante discovering SM supermalls in Philippine provinces of Henry C. Sanyal cast on Ninong TV Facebook and YouTube. Henry C. The King of Philippine Business. Only here at Ninong TV, your educational vlog show and entertainment.
Good afternoon to all of you, and this is once again the Denver Ninong Castro, and welcome to my TV. You're watching the Facebook and YouTube subscribers. And today is another action of showing you the presentation of the businesses of Mr. MC, the King of Philippine Business. And for today's video, the title of our vlog is Ang Probinsyano Negosyante. Strawberry SM Supermalls in Philippine provinces of Henry C. So today, in our young generation, especially the millennial, who is loving loans to SM every day, every week, every month, and you're living in a city far away from the provinces. Your parents, your young parents invite you to go to your provinces and miss most of the SM supermalls in Manila because that is your favorite leisure, diba? O yung mahal pasyala, or your favorite place to shop or to play, and you're going to provinces, but that's not a problem anymore because SM supermalls is also available in provinces of the Philippines, in some SM. So, this is called ang Probinsyano Negosyante. Kaya pala naka-jacket ang Ninong mo. Diba? Going back to province. Diba? So, dito is our special educational vlog show is the SM Supermalls that is available provinces. Philippines. So last time we go to China. SM is also an international game in China. Meron sa Pilipinas, meron sa China. This is also a special program for our OFW and for our balikbayan. Diba? If they are living in Manila or if they are working, diba? And they miss SM. So meron na rin ito sa provincia. Until now, SM has keep on building more SM supermalls in Philippine provinces. So the first episode that I will show you here is the SM supermalls in Soto. You will discover here SM Bicol, SM Baguio, SM Sandro, SM Bacoor. And some of the pictures here is together with Nino and the family. It happened around 2015, 2018, 2033. So, hanggang dito, present na. Just to give you introduction or our program or our experience that we also go to some of the SM supermalls in provinces. That's perfect for our educators and our travelers. So, check it out. next episode that you will witness here is the SM Supermalls in Visayas and Mindanao. So, a while ago, we just discovered our slide in Luzon. So, if you're living in Luzon and you're living in Manila or you're living in somewhere and you go to provinces and finding SM Supermalls in Luzon province, it's now available SM Rosario, SM Bacoor, SM Bicol, and SM Baguio. That's the one of the best tourist spot here in the Philippines, and even foreigners visiting the Baguio and also discovering SM Super Mall in that area. So for the next episode is the Visayas and Mindanao. So you will discover here such as SM Davao, SM Cebu, SM Visayas, and many more SM Super Malls that is located in Visayas and Mindanao. So this is the one that created by Henry C. as the king of Philippine business. He also think that people is happier in Manila. They are excel for the properties, for the bonding, for mall, and for any leisure here in Manila. But Mr. Henry C. also think the provinciano and provinciano to give a happier place also, because we are living in our houses, in our provinces. Somehow, we are living in the bukid. Kunwari tayo yung mga provinsyano. We are wishing to go to Manila para lang mag-SM. But that's not an plan, because Mr. Henry C. and the same management of SM Investment Corporation created a malls here in the provinces so that the people who is far away going to Manila just to fill the SM will be not those far away. So nasa kanila na, nasa bayan na nila yung SM Supermall, so that they can buy the essential to be happy, happy family, bonding style, gano'n. So, Mr. Henry C. is also able na. So, you will check the Visayas and Mindanao SM Supermall. Okay, you've just discovered the SM Supermalls in the Philippine provinces. We have in Luzon, in Visayas, and in Mindanao. So, for our travelers, for our balikbayan, or the Bolivia, diba? If you live in Manila, and then you have a province to go back, and you have your son, you have your daughter who is love goes to SM. So, gusto pa rin nilang mag-SM kahit nasa probinsya na, nasanay sila. They are going to SM Supermalls while they are staying in Manila. So that's not a problem, because we have now the SM Supermalls in provinces of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. It's just like ang lamig-lamig dito sa SM, Papa, Mama. O, diba? Ang SM talaga, mga Bisaya. And then in Pangasinan, they call maganda na, so I sing. So it's just like a cloth accessories that you can discover in SM Supermall. So talagang we can feel the provinciano in going to SM Supermalls, diba? So Mr. Henry C. loved those of the people who who trusted SM in the provinces of the Philippines. It's just like in SM Baguio, in SM Rosario, in SM Cebu, Davao. So all of the Philippine provinces with SM na rin. So naisip yan ni Mr. Henry C. kasi dito sa Manila, crowded na. No? Marami ng tao, marami ng building, and here at Bicol. So, umuusbong pala ang mga provinces. Kasi sa provinces, malaki yung lupa, malawak, diba? So, perfect na tayuan siya ng mga establishment, ng mga kasesa. Isa na yan, si Mr. Henry C. Papatayo ng mga SM Supermall sa mga probinsyano, kagaya niya kasi probinsyano rin siya. He also came in China and taga-probinsya siya. So, ayun. Gusto niya rin magtayo sa mga provinces, sa mga kagaya natin, mga millennial, no? Na gusto mag-SM. Eh kaso, ang SM sa Manila lang. And hindi nila alam, SM is also now available in some parts of the provinces, especially in mga chikitin, from about 10 years old, 6 years old, no? They are only developing and discovering about SM Supermall, yung mga high school natin, mga grade natin na never pang maka-experience ng SM sa probinsya. So it's just like the same, the SM here in the Manila and province is also the same. Okay, as we feel blessed because we have those more, let's bless others by providing what they need, what they want from our province, and that is the CSR. And that is the CSR that is to help the people. So, ano-ano ang mga programa ng Mr. Community para tulungan din ang mga probinsya na nandoon. So, not only to create more, but to help others and to bless others. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching, and God bless all of you. And our title of the vlog once again is Ang Probinsyano Negosyante, Discovering SM Supermalls in Philippine Provinces of the Philippines. So, thank you for watching, and you may download this vlog, but of course, please subscribe, watch, and share, and like to my Ninong TV YouTube channel so that you can be updated and you will discover the educational vlog shows and entertainment for our viewers. And this video vlog is for sale for only 100 pesos. So, it's recently 150 pesos, but the Ninong TV is summer sale. So, you better PM me if you wanted to buy all of my video vlog, including this one, for only 100 pesos and 50 pesos now for stream record. So, sa summer promo from March 16 to June 1. So, you better chat me na para meron kayong demo. You will go for a road trip in province. Perfect na perfect to. Panoorin nyo sa sasakyan mo. Mostly all of the cars in the world puro touchscreen TV na. You may download my vlog and then present it in your company with your travelers, foreigner to discover the Philippine provinces and you will go to SM. Perfectong programa ito. It's also a guide sa ating mga turista. Thank you for watching, and this is your Denver Limon Cast Says. Thank you for watching, and see you for another video of Ninong TV.